Hi, this is Ross at International Medcom. Today we're going to look at connecting our IMI Onyx Geiger Counter to an Android device to view the data from the Onyx on the Android device. And here I'm going to set the Onyx down, but actually you can see that the counts per minute are tracking pretty closely. There's a slight delay, but this is reading live data, and you can see your graph at the top. Your microsieverts. It's grabbing the GPS coordinates from the phone. You can see those down here. You can rotate the display, get a horizontal landscape view, and those are the basics. I'm going to really focus on connecting the two and what's needed to do so. So I'm going to take this setup apart. I'm going to disconnect, and I'm going to take the cables off and talk about the connections we need to make this happen. We're going to use the Android device as a USB host, and to do that we need what's called an OTG, or on-the-go USB cable, and that can take on a couple forms. Often the easiest to use is a short USB cable like this. It has a micro USB on one end and then a USB-A on the other, and we're going to plug that into your Android device thusly. And there's another version of this I really like, really short, stubby. This goes where this goes, has the same receptacle. Anyway, so you plug that in there, then you take a standard USB, micro USB data cable, connect it to your Onyx, and these are both available from IMI, and you connect it into your USB on-the-go cable. So the Onyx will start counting. Here we have display. I'm going to act like this instrument is not on the app yet, so I'm going to go here, menu, go to instruments. I'm going to go to the second page here and create a new instrument. I'm just going to call it Onyx test on the go, and then you come to the instrument type. We're going to select Onyx, and I like to restart this and select your serial ports, on the go serial port. There, you can see that. Select that, and then you come down here at the bottom and press save. Shows you have successful save here in the bottom right. Then we can go back to the menu, instruments, find that instrument. Here we go, Onyx test on the go, and we're just going to click on the image of the instrument, and you still need to come up here and press connect to Onyx. And this little pop-up shows us that this is one way to know that this is a data cable and not just a charge cable. If it were a charge cable, you'd get an error here that it can't find a connection. So this is confirming that we have a data cable, and you have to check the box here and then click OK, and then your Onyx is connecting to the Android app. So there it goes, it's live now. It's showing your data here on the graph. We can also record. If you come up here and click record, and then you want to give it a test, give it a name, test record. Now that data will be recorded, saved in a file. Oh, I have to come down here and say start recording. There we go, and the recording button is now green, indicating that it's recording. And then you can disconnect and reconnect at will here with this top button. I'm going to stop recording first. Go. And I'm going to disconnect. When you reconnect, all this data will be saved. So we're going to connect again. Here we go, it's connecting and recording again. So basics of getting these two devices connected: the IMI Onyx and an Android device.